UTech.
Go to Microsoft Store. Search for HP Scan and Capture. Press Get, then install. HP Solution Center software is no longer functional since it was using Adobe Flash Player. Alternative software to that is the HP Scan and Capture from Windows 10 Store.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and check other videos.